Okay, so right back where we left off. Go ahead and we got the mirror adjusted and there's one seam in the middle. So go ahead and drop an edit poly out of your modifier list, or in my case the quick drop here, edit poly. Alright, and let's bridge some of these. Bridge. 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 Try to do two at once, probably won't work. Bridge. It worked. Okay, bridge. And then go ahead and hit 3 and right click, go to cap over here on the left. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's fine for now. Let's hit Alt W, see if we can do a little more editing. Okay. And some of the editing we can do here is moving all this up. You can see already this is, you just gotta kind of go through and like fix stuff. Not, you know, not that it's a good practice to just purposely model stuff crappy, which is the issue I was having trying to make this. It's kind of a hard shape, and to make it editable. Okay, see, and then this point is kind of essential. So you need it right there, and let's try to make this a little softer. And there. Okay, there, starting to look a little better. Alright, so let's do this bottom piece quick, and we'll, okay, hit Alt W. Actually, hit Alt X on that. We'll leave it up actually. Hit Alt X. Oh, I got my transparency on, so I'll turn that off. Let's go to our left view, hit Z, select the right object. Now let's hit the 1 key. I'm going to grab all these, move them up to there. Just the middle guys, move them here. Okay, now I want to drag some of these down. It's going to be the same kind of idea here. We're going to loosely model it and then modify it. Alt L. And let's actually go up top, go to transparency, best, hit Alt X. Okay, now we can kind of see what we're doing. And basically you just want to keep an eye on it, make sure that we're kind of moving stuff with this. So select these pieces, shift drag them back, go to your 1 key, move this one up a bit, hit 2 again, and then go to the top view. And then we'll try to match it up with that one directly. Okay, I went up there by accident, so let's just go straight. Okay, and straight back just a bit. Alright, let's go shift drag again, doing it in this viewport now. Keep this one on the left. Hit your 1 key. This is another essential point. That spot actually ends up being kind of flat down there. Now let's move it out just a bit. And shift drag it back. Kind of following the point there. This one's obviously got to go in a bit. Grab your 1 key, we'll grab those 2 verts now. And if your stuff's not exactly the same, it's not a big deal. Don't sit there and just, you know, trying to make it exactly like mine, because it's just not going to happen. So let's drag this all the way back. Grab these bottom 3 verts, move it up as much as we can. Trying to maintain quads. Just select the bottom 2, move them up. Excuse me. Move it up, okay, hit 2. And just shift drag that back. And let's move these all up. And you know, if you think this geometry is a little too sloppy for you, just go ahead and go back and do it yourself. I'm going to select this other object. Select those and shift drag to the same point. I'm going to select this object again, and I grab those edges. I'm going to do my scale thing from 3D Palace. Bought a lot of his videos. He's a nice guy, so if you guys are getting into this, I highly recommend 3D Palace. He's pretty damn good. So you can hit Alt X now. I kind of got a piece going. So let's go ahead and drop a symmetry on this. Hit flip, or do whatever you got to do to get yours to work. I'm going to go to my front view. Then obviously I want to move this, select the mirror. And drag it out to just about the same spot. And I'm going to select my edit poly. Get it to match up more with that. And I'm going to go back to my mirror. Drag it off a bit. And then what I can do is go back to your edit poly. Just drag this stuff over. There. I'll go back to your mirror. And now it's connected. So get out of vertex. Go in here. Oops, hit XZ. Let's grab both pieces. Select both pieces, do an Alt Q, hit Z. Okay. Now, not really liking that, so unhide all. And we need to go to our bottom piece, go to Edit Poly, hit 1. And we need to do our drag stuff in. Okay, now let's Alt click, deselect some of those, move it up and over. Could actually try to follow that line. Okay, so Alt select some of those. Grab that, move it in. Let's grab those guys. I'll just grab these three. I'll drag that guy back down. Alright. Symmetry. Not really liking that. Grab that, this edge. Move it out a bit. Alright, anyway, see now I'm wasting too much time. Drop another edit poly on top. Hit 2, do an Alt Q. Alright, deselect it, now do an Alt Q. Go to edge mode. Bridge those. Bridge those. Try to do it 2 now. Bridge. Bridge them. Bridge them. Hit 3. Do a cap over here. Wherever cap seems to like to hide, just right click and do the yellow one. You can just click there. Alright, we got that done now. Now, go ahead and select all your polys, Control A in polygon mode, and do a relax, which is under edit geometry. Okay, that helped a lot. Now let's exit isolation mode. Grab this top one, do the same thing, Control A, do a relax under edit geometry. Relax. There we go. Alright, so there's our front piece kinda. And we're gonna edit this one a little more in the next video and like get it really honed in and check out our reference pictures and see how it looks. But see our top view, we're looking damn good. Side view is looking pretty good. Obviously that got sucked up a little too much, so we'll just have to go on here. We can do that right now. We still got a little bit of time. Hit F3. Yeah, this guy's obviously got to get moved down. Grab these 4. It's just a back and forth thing. You just have to do it like that. So it's kind of like a person, you know. I tried a lot of ways to model this and it just wasn't working. So once again, if you have a better way, you know, maybe you just want to watch this video for texturing or something like that. And see, it looks like we're kind of screwing up our front view now by adjusting our left view. But once again, that's something we'll have to address. So let's go here, go to edit poly. They're looking a little better. Alright, so there we go. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to save your file. So select your item, click save. Plus sign. Alright, talk to you in the next video.